Warning: this is an international high-level emergency transmission. If you watched the papal inauguration and something felt off, you are not alone. Please listen carefully. This is not a conspiracy. This is not blasphemy. This is a warning. The new pope looks human. He speaks like a man. He quotes scripture, smiles, blesses the crowd. But something is wrong. Too perfect, too rehearsed. As if he studied us from the outside, but never belonged here. During his addresses, his pupils don't move. In slowed footage, you can see a second row of teeth. The inner set moves independently.
Once, he appeared on the balcony,
And in the hall, broadcast 0.7 seconds apart. This was not a camera error. He blesses names no one speaks aloud. He uses Latin structures found in no version of the Vulgate. And when he prays, birds vanish. Signal drops have been recorded in sync with his words. Those who shook his hand report a drop in body temperature, dilated pupils, and insomnia. Some of them no longer speak. If you feel like his image is too clean, too perfect, like it's been composited, you're not imagining it. He was not elected. He was inserted. Do not share this. Do not speak of it inside churches. They are listening. Their faces are
behind the stained glass.